This is a simple story in English. It is about missing the bus. Listen carefully. I woke up late. I looked at the clock. The time was very late. I jumped out of bed. I ran to the bathroom. I brushed my teeth quickly. I washed my face. I went back to my room. I checked my bag. I grabbed my keys. I ran to the door. I opened the door. I looked outside. I saw the bus at the stop. I started to run. The bus began to leave. I ran faster, but the bus did not stop. I stopped and looked sad. I missed the bus. I sat on the bench. I waited for the next bus. I checked the time again. I felt tired. I decided to be early tomorrow.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video. Can you tell the story? Thank you for listening. Everyday English starts with everyday life.